Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have XMusic headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So, on these headphones we cannot do hard reset, but we can do a soft reset. To do so we have to take our headphones and place them in our case. This one, and now we can close the case. Pardon me, it's different, as you can see, placement, but now we can close the case and now we have to wait 10 seconds. Meanwhile we can charge them using our USB Type-C cable, don't worry. And as you can see, now we can charge them, and after these 10 or 20 seconds we can take them out of the case and check if we can connect with our phone. If we can connect to our phone, we have to unpair them from our previous phone and make sure that they are not paired with any other phone, because our headphones are automatically getting into pairing mode after getting out of the case. If you have some pairing issues, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.